back at it with another one. So a lot of work to do with this one. New customer. See all of them. They will all be gone. That's just a quick little job. It's just like very debris in here. Let's get the show on the road. So this is all that stuff that's come out from the customer's vehicle. Yes, that is a Just Eat bag, as he works for Just Eat. Now I'm going to move on to the interior. My god, does it look quite challenging. No problem. Platinum hand service. Let's get that cleared out. Alright.